I got to find some epithelium on here. And remember, epithelium faces the outside world or space. So when I look, I can start to see some spaces. So this is where I would start to really focus in on. And let's start here. This is a big structure. By the way, this is a glomerulus from the kidney. This is kidney tissue we're looking at. You wouldn't probably know this unless you've done a lot of histology, so don't worry about it too much. Now, let's have a look. Because remember, epithelium lines spaces or faces the outside world. So we're going to look in this zone right here. And when we start to look, I'm going to zoom in. You can see, now these are not cells, these are the nuclei of cells. So we can't quite see the cell outline. You can kind of see a bit of a cell outline there, etc. What do you think this would be? Now I don't see other nuclei in this tissue. So this is telling me how many layers? How many layers do you think? One layer. So if it's one layer, it is simple. Now we got to figure out the second name, which is based on cell shape. And the cells look quite flattened. The nuclei are quite flattened. The cells are flattened. So this would be simple squamous epithelium. Right? So there we go. Now there's a second type of epithelium here. Have a look around for a second. See if you can see it. Remember, we're looking for a space. So here's a space. You can see that there's a very similar pattern because what we're looking at here are tubes that have been cut across. Imagine taking a garden hose, sectioning it, and looking at the cut end of the garden hose. That is what we're looking at here. These are tubes where we've just cut them while preparing the tissue. And yes, we do have a space here. And if you look here, you can see the various cells. Now they're not flattened. They're kind of about as tall as they are wide. So, and there's only one cell layer. I don't see multiple cell layers. So this would be simple cuboidal. So now we've seen two.